In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove subtitles in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. This is perfect if you're watching a movie or video and the subtitles are distracting, in the wrong language, or simply not needed. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and while subtitles are useful, knowing how to turn them off properly can save you a lot of frustration. I'll walk you through the exact steps, including what to do if the subtitles are built into the video or loaded from an external file. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. This works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once VLC is open, start playing the video that has subtitles showing on the screen. You'll want the video actively playing so you can see the changes happen in real time as we adjust the subtitle settings. Now, look at the top menu bar in VLC. Click on the option labeled Subtitle. This menu controls everything related to subtitles, including enabling, disabling, and switching between different subtitle tracks. When you click Subtitle, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, move your cursor to Subtrack. This will open another side menu showing all available subtitle tracks for the video. If the subtitles are embedded directly into the video file, you'll usually see one or more language options listed here. To remove the subtitles, simply click Disable. As soon as you do this, the subtitle should disappear from the video immediately. This is the fastest and common way to turn off subtitles in VLC Media Player. Now, let's talk about external subtitles, because this is where some people get confused. If the subtitles are coming from an external file, such as an SRT file that was automatically loaded or manually added, the option may look slightly different. In that case, go back to Subtitle, then Subtrack, and select None instead of a language option. This tells VLC not to display any subtitle file at all. If the subtitles still appear after doing this, double-check that there isn't another subtitle track enabled, or that a subtitle file isn't being auto-loaded from the same folder as your video. VLC sometimes automatically loads subtitle files that have the same name as the video. And that's it. You've successfully removed subtitles in VLC Media Player. Whether the subtitles were embedded in the video or loaded from an external file, these steps will help you turn them off in seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.